So if you find your timetable for this week that's inside your pack, and I look at Monday, it's got my time to wake up, and then this week you've got SPAG, spelling, punctuation and grammar, okay? And if you look for the today's activity, it's suffixes. So I turn to the booklet that's in my pack, I find Monday, suffixes. It gives me a little bit of information on what suffixes are. And then here, I need to use the rules that I've learned to change these words. And they've got different suffixes that they want you to add to each of the words. So for literacy for Monday, I look at the day, I look at my literacy. I should be doing this for an hour from 9:30 until 10:30. Today I'm looking at some song lyrics for Hakuna Matata from The Lion King. And it says, read the song lyrics and answer the comprehension questions. So I find it, and it says here as well, Monday. It says, read the lyrics for Hakuna Matata. And I've got a link here as well on YouTube where you can actually listen to the video from the film. You've also got a copy of the song lyrics so you can read along as it's played. Some key vocabulary that I'm going to come across. Okay, so it says the word craze, the noun craze, and it's ain't no passing craze. It tells me what that means. It's a new and popular trend, a bit like the floss that we had, the dance that everybody learned. Okay, there's some more vocabulary here to help you understand what the song's about. And then questions here. These are just retrieval questions, so you'll be able to find the answer in your song lyrics. So for example, what adjective is used to describe the phrase? Okay, and remember, an adjective is a describing word. Then I've got some trickier questions here. They're inference questions, and that means that the answer isn't in the lyrics. You need to find clues to help you answer. So it says, using evidence from the text, what do you think, where do you think the story is set? So that's where you need to use everything that you've read to come up with an answer. And remember to try and answer in full sentences. So you would start your question with, I think the story is set, and then you would answer it. So for maths, I turn the page on my timetable, and I should be doing this from 11 till 12 in the day. Now, these dates aren't correct, so just ignore those, but they do follow on your booklet, okay? So today you're adding and subtracting numbers, and we're looking at column addition, and in the next video I'm going to show you how we do column addition, okay? So I look through, it tells me some information on what is addition. Let's remember, what do we think it is? How can we add different numbers together? I carry on. This is just a little question to see what you know already. Some more words. What does addition actually mean? It's finding the combined value of two or more addends, and these are the specific maths vocabulary that we should be using, okay? And these are some of the words in your exams that they might use. So they might not always tell you to add. They might ask how many more. They might say plus, make, sum, total, or how many are there all together. Words, so it tells you what an addend is, and that's just two individual numbers that you add, okay? Here, this is just activating. So these we've already done. How many thousands are in the number? It says, with somebody at home, roll the computer dice. So I'm going to attach on the blog a dice that you can roll if you haven't got one at home. And it says you need to roll it 4 times to create a 4-digit number. So if I roll it the first time, I might get a 1. The second time I might get a 2. The next number I might get 3, and then I might get a 2. So my number reads 1232. It then asks me to represent, and we know that represent means show this number in the place value grid with place value counters. So I've got 1,000, 2 hundreds, 3 tens and 2 ones, okay? 2 numbers, adding them together. Now this is simple addition, so it wants you to set it out in the grid, both numbers, and then work it out. Your topic work today if you look, we've got from 1:30 until 3. This week's topic focuses on rainforests, okay? And if I look at Monday, it says see rainforest topic home learning sheet. And this sheet tells you what activity, so which project you are doing each day. And it says I need to start with project 1. Find my sheet. It gives me some useful websites where I can do some research of my own and some games. And then here, I'm starting with Rainforest Project 1. Can I describe where the Amazon rainforest is and what makes it unique? So what makes it individual and different from other rainforests? Now I need to find this YouTube video, and it's 12 minutes long, and it's going to tell me all about the Amazon rainforest. And for this, I just want you to make notes of any facts that you learn. Then your activity, you can choose one or the other. And I've asked you to make an Amazon rainforest themed board game that has some of the facts that you've learnt. And it says to try and be as creative as you can. Or can you create a song or write a poem from the video that you've just watched? And can you write this in your workbook, okay? And it says you can use illustrations or pictures to decorate your poem or your song. And I'd like 6 email. So that's year6.year6@hovingham.org.